The 2026 BYD Seal U DMI is finally here, and it's creating a huge buzz in the automotive world. Welcome back to Quake, where we bring you the most exciting updates from the car industry. And today we're diving deep into this brand new plug-in hybrid SUV that is redefining what modern mobility means. BYD has already established itself as one of the most dominant players in the EV hybrid segment, and the Seal U DMI shows exactly why this brand is leading the charge. It's a bold combination of futuristic design, advanced hybrid technology, efficiency, and comfort, making it one of the most anticipated cars of 2026. Let's start with the design. The Seal U DMI carries BYD's new family design language, sleek, sporty, and elegant. The front fascia is sharp and aggressive, with slim LED headlights that stretch into the fenders, giving the SUV a wide and commanding stance. The grille is minimal because this is a hybrid, not a traditional combustion engine SUV. The smooth curves and aerodynamic lines make it look like it's constantly in motion, even when it's parked. The rear is equally stylish, with a full-width light bar, sculpted bumper, and subtle spoiler that adds just the right amount of sportiness. From every angle, the Seal U DMI looks futuristic, premium, and instantly recognizable. Step inside, and the story gets even better. The interior of the 2026 BYD Seal U DMI is a tech lover's dream. Dominating the cabin is BYD's signature rotating touchscreen, now even larger and sharper, giving drivers the flexibility to use it in either portrait or landscape mode. The infotainment system is powered by BYD's latest software, which integrates seamlessly with navigation, entertainment, and advanced driving assistance features. The materials are premium, with soft-touch surfaces, ambient LED lighting, and eco-friendly fabrics that make the cabin feel luxurious yet sustainable. The seating is spacious and supportive, perfect for long drives or city commutes, and the panoramic glass roof floods the cabin with natural light, making it feel airy and open. But the real highlight is under the hood. The Seal U DMI is powered by BYD's revolutionary dual-mode intelligent hybrid system. This allows the car to switch effortlessly between pure electric mode and hybrid mode, depending on driving conditions. In electric-only mode, it offers an impressive range, perfect for daily urban driving without burning a drop of fuel. And when you need to go further, the hybrid system kicks in, extending the range significantly while keeping fuel consumption extremely low. This combination makes it one of the most versatile SUVs in its class. You get the convenience of an EV with the reassurance of a gasoline backup, making range anxiety a thing of the past. Performance is another strong point. The 2026 BYD Seal U DMI delivers smooth acceleration thanks to its electric motors, and when combined with the hybrid engine, it provides plenty of power for overtaking, highway cruising, or tackling steep inclines. The advanced chassis tuning ensures comfort and stability, while regenerative braking not only recovers energy, but also gives a confident, responsive feel on the road. Whether you're driving in the city, on highways, or on winding roads, the Seal U DMI adapts seamlessly. Safety is, of course, a priority, and BYD has packed the Seal U DMI with the latest driver assistance systems. Expect adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and even intelligent parking assistance. The car uses a combination of cameras, sensors, and radar to create a 360-degree awareness around the vehicle, keeping you and your passengers safe at all times. Another major advantage is efficiency. BYD's hybrid system is designed not only for performance but also for cost saving. With a large battery pack, you can cover most daily driving in pure electric mode, drastically reducing fuel costs. And for longer trips, the hybrid system ensures you're not stopping frequently to recharge. This makes the Seal U DMI practical for both city drivers and long-distance travelers. What truly sets the 2026 Seal U DMI apart is how well it balances everything. It's stylish without being over the top, efficient without compromising performance, and packed with technology while still being user-friendly. This SUV represents BYD's vision of the future, where cars are not just modes of transportation but smart, sustainable companions for everyday life. So, who should buy the BYD Seal U DMI 2026? If you're someone who wants a cutting-edge hybrid, that gives you the best of both worlds: electric efficiency and hybrid flexibility. This SUV deserves your attention. It's a great choice for families who want space, tech, and safety, and also for professionals who need a reliable, efficient, and stylish ride. In the crowded market of plug-in hybrid SUVs, the Seal U DMI 2026 stands tall as one of the smartest choices available. BYD has once again proven why it's a global leader in electrified mobility. With its blend of futuristic design, groundbreaking hybrid tech, and everyday practicality, the Seal U DMI isn't just another SUV, it's a glimpse into the future of driving. If you're excited about the 2026 BYD Seal U DMI, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to Quake for more in-depth reviews, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Would you choose this over a traditional EV or hybrid? Let us know. Until next time, this is Quake, bringing you the cars that shape tomorrow.